Barbara Corcoran, a name synonymous with success. A woman who turned a mere $1,000 into a billion-dollar empire. Born and raised in the heart of New Jersey, Barbara's story is one of humble beginnings, a testament to the fact that even the most towering empires can rise from the simplest of foundations. She didn't have a silver spoon, nor did she have a wealthy family to rely on. Barbara had something far more powerful: determination and a fiery spirit. With merely $1,000 in her pocket, she faced the world of real estate, a world filled with sharks, and she rose to become the biggest shark of them all. She faced trials and tribulations, but with every setback she came back stronger, more determined. Barbara Corcoran's story is not just one of success, it's a tale of resilience and tenacity, a tale that shows us that with the right mindset, the world truly is our oyster. Now, let us delve into the golden nuggets of wisdom from Barbara's tutorial that propelled her to her billion-dollar status. First and foremost, Barbara emphasizes the power of resilience. She believes that bouncing back from failures and setbacks is a crucial part of success. In her own words, the difference between successful people and others is how long they spend time feeling sorry for themselves. She asserts that every setback is a setup for a comeback, and it is this relentless tenacity that has been a cornerstone of her success. Next, let's consider Barbara's unique approach to problem solving. She doesn't see problems as roadblocks, but rather as opportunities to innovate and learn. She advises us to embrace challenges, for they force us to stretch and grow beyond our comfort zones. Barbara shares, "I built the business exactly the way my mother built and managed the family. I wanted a replication of the big, happy family I grew up in. I wanted happy people having fun." This approach has not only helped her navigate through tough times, but also fostered a positive and productive work environment. Last, but certainly not least, Barbara firmly believes in the power of a positive attitude. She maintains that your mindset can either be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. She encourages us to stay optimistic, even in the face of adversity. After all, positivity breeds positivity. As Barbara herself puts it, "A complainer is like a Death Eater because there's a suction of negative energy. You can catch a great attitude from great people." This infectious positivity has undoubtedly played a significant role in her achieving her billion-dollar status. In summary, Barbara's tutorial teaches us that resilience, a unique approach to problem-solving, and a positive attitude are instrumental in achieving success. These principles have not only guided her professional journey, but can also provide valuable insights for our own paths. As Barbara often says, success in business doesn't come from what you own, but from what you've learned and how well you learn your lessons. So, what can we glean from Barbara Corcoran's tutorial and her incredible journey? Well, for starters, it's a compelling testament to the power of resilience. Barbara didn't simply wake up one day as a self-made billionaire. She weathered countless storms, faced numerous setbacks, and battled through daunting challenges. Yet, she never let these obstacles deter her. Instead, she used these experiences to fuel her determination, proving time and again that resilience isn't just about surviving the tough times, but about using them as stepping stones to greater heights. Next, we can't overlook the importance of a positive attitude. Throughout her journey, Barbara maintained an unwavering positivity that was nothing short of infectious. She saw opportunities where others saw setbacks, found potential where others found failure. This persistent optimism didn't just keep her going, it inspired those around her, proving that positivity is not just an individual trait, but a powerful tool that can shape the dynamics of a team, a company, or even an industry. Of course, we can't talk about Barbara's success without addressing the value of learning from mistakes. In her tutorial, she shares many instances where she stumbled, made errors, and faced the consequences. But what's remarkable is that she never let these missteps define her. Instead, she viewed them as valuable lessons, as opportunities to grow and improve. This mindset, this willingness to turn mistakes into learning opportunities, is a crucial ingredient to her success recipe. Finally, let's not forget the power of small beginnings. Barbara's empire started with a meager $1,000. This humble start is a powerful reminder that success isn't always about having the most resources, but about making the most of what you have, about spotting opportunities, and about having the courage to seize them. In the end, Barbara Corcoran's story teaches us that with resilience, a positive attitude, and a willingness to learn, even the smallest of beginnings can lead to the greatest of successes.